myself Pirevrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques. So in this video we'll be discussing about Capgemini Recruitment Drive 2021, which is applicable only for the freshers and it is only for 2021 year pass out or the batch candidates. So in this video we'll be discussing about the eligibility criteria, the application process and the selection process. That means the total number of interview process happening for this off campus, and also we'll be discussing about the aptitude and the coding questions or the MCQs in the next video for this Capgemini off campus before the interview or the before the written test. So I am requesting all of you to please subscribe so that you'll be able to get the timely updates regarding latest off campus like this. And so it's a Capgemini pulled off campus drive 2021. So it's for the engineering and the MCA freshers or the fresh graduates. So the last date to apply or to register for this off campus is 14th April 2021, and it will be happening till 7th May 2021. The drive will be conducted till 7th May 2021. So previously for the Tech Mahindra and the Cognizant off campus, I have seen that most of the candidates were commenting like I was eligible, and most of the candidates had applied for this off campus, that means for Tech Mahindra and Cognizant, on the same date or the date on which I applied for this off campus. They got the shortlisting mail, or you can say the test invitation link, but I didn't receive any. But after 2 to 3 days they are receiving. That means these off campus or the written test are happening in the batches. So wait for a means extra 2 to 3 days. Everyone will be getting the test invitation if they are suitable, or you can say if they are eligible for this off campus. So as it is it will be happening till the 7th May 2021, between 18th 16th to 7th May 2021 you'll be receiving the test invitation. So I am requesting all of you to please have some patience and keep preparing for this off campus as well as for the others. So now let's discuss about the eligibility criteria, which is one of the most important thing. So they are hiring for the 2021 year of pass out. As we discussed earlier, other year of pass out batch candidates are not eligible for this off campus and should have minimum of 60% throughout their academics, 10th 12th diploma, graduation, etc. Minimum 60% is required. Below 60% or the no percentage candidates or the criteria people are not eligible for this off campus. Qualification: MCA, B or BTech. Open for only circuit branches: information technology, information science, computer science, computer engineering. Electrical candidates also are eligible. Electronics, telecommunication, etc. MTech students must be from the mentioned specialization only: information technology, IT or computer science, etc. That means all the mechanical or civil or chemical engineering, etc. candidates are not eligible for this off campus. Only the circuit branch candidates are eligible. Then must possess excellent written English written communication skill, which is mandatory for every company, or you can say uh, organization. Only shortlisted candidates will be invited for the assessment. No need to worry about that. 99% candidates, those who have applied for this off campus, those who are meeting the eligibility criteria, that means the basic eligibility criteria, they will be receiving the test invitation. No need to worry about this. That means almost everyone will be receiving the test invitation. Candidate will be responsible for arranging the required infrastructure for appearing the selection process, which will be conducted online. Due to this COVID-19 situation, it will be happening online only. So if you are interested for this off campus, you need to follow certain process. You need to register yourself. So it's a superset platform. So here you need to provide, first there will be welcome page, then you need to provide personal details, then college details you need to provide, confirm, then complete your profile. It must be 100%. You need to update upload your updated resume, etc. Then apply for the job openings. So I am skipping all these parts because it will be taking minimum 10 to 15 minutes. So that's why I have skipped this part. So you need to provide all these mandatory fields like name, email address, primary email address, confirm email address, mobile number. Your account will be created, and once you are clicking on the next, there will be a email ID verification link in your registered email address. That means the email address that we have used here, primary email address. You need to just click on the confirm email address so that your account will be activated. Then you need to complete your profile 100%. Then you will be able to attend this off campus. Yeah, don't forget to apply for this opening or for this drive button, or you can say option. So now let's discuss about the selection process. There will be three selection process rounds. First one will be the written test, then the technical and the two technical interviews, and and last the HR interview. So in the written test there will be the aptitude and the English comprehension or the English MCQs, reasoning and the coding MCQ questions will be there, because they are hiring for the software engineer profile only. And location is across the India. The location will be as per your convenience, or you can say flexibility. You can join any of the location. Kolkata it is there, in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, everywhere. Capgemini. Capgemini is there everywhere. So you can join any of these locations or the cities as per your convenience. They have not mentioned any city here. So after that there will be technical interview. So basically they will be asking you regarding your projects, or you can say the previous year projects or the final year projects, or the things related to your branch. All the basic programming or the coding skills or the things they will be asking. If you know the basics of C, Java, Python, etc., you can mention. Otherwise they will be asking you from the branch topics only. And in the HR interview, basic questions will be asking like tell something about yourself, where do you want to see yourself after 5 years, etc., etc., they will be asking. And regarding the written test, will be creating or making a video on the aptitude MCQ questions, etc. So in the next video we'll be covering about that. So this is all about the selection process and the application process. So I hope you get a clear idea about this off campus. So if you have any doubts regarding this off campus, you can comment your doubts in the comment section below. So I'll be putting this link, the advertisement link, as well as the registration link in the description of this video, so that you'll be able to apply for this off campus before 14th April 2021, because the last date to apply for this off campus is 14th April 2021. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.